This one I'd like to request our President, Mr. Roy Mendoza, to say a few words. Happy to fresh panauhin si Congressman Lord Mananas of Batangas. Maraming salamat, Congressman.
Pre,
Balita. Parang late na late ka na.
galing pa ako sa ano? Sa area?
Is the champion to the insurance.
Beautiful ladies. Well, I got to go work now.
Sir, medyo dali na
The 1978 insurance school, which when that is passed as a law, will be very instrumental in making the insurance industry do a more significant role to nation building, and at the same time will be very beneficial to the insuring public. Kaya po, naimbita ko namin na siya po ang special guest. Pangalawa po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat kay Father Larry Tan. Let's give Father Larry Tan. Alam mo ninyo si Father Larry Tan, tuwing first day of the year, siya po ang nagmimisa sa aming opisina. And I've been telling him ever since, our company has always been blessed. Kaya siya po ang nag-bless sa aming clinic. I'm sure that this clinic or this hospital will likewise be blessed. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa pagdalo ng aming Vice Chairman of the Board at saka Presidente ng aming holding company, ATR Kimay. Sa mga taga St. Luke's, that's led by si Joe Aguilar at si Jerry Santiago, the other doctors from St. Luke. Maraming salamat. Earlier, I had the opportunity to have a long chat with Dr. Juana, who is your Chief Medical Officer. And what a small world, Joe. Dr. Juana took care of my mother many years ago. So sabi ko, it's a blessing to meet you, Dr. Juana. Alam mo ninyo, ang St. Luke's has been very supportive of us. We are the only life insurance company that provides health care